Hey, it's Nick and Leonidas with the Drizzlo's Happy Home Team with a look at what's happening in Seattle real estate for April 2021. So Leo's wearing his bananas shirt because this market is bananas. So all sorts of records going on right now. Highest rate of sales ever for King County, 224% absorption rate. We had the lowest inventory ever on record for the month of March, and also the highest number of sales since 2005. And then all four counties around Puget Sound are all up double digits. King County went from 725 to 825,000 for median single family price for a home right now. Mortgage rates are still hovering in the low threes. You know, they were in the twos from September until about February, so they've crept up, but still near all-time lows. Showings and open houses are still allowed. Up to 10 people at the property can be allowed at this time. There is a number of contract updates that came out in the beginning of March on March 3rd. Some new financing addendums, escalation addenda, a lot of things that just kind of filling some of the holes in our contracts with how competitive offers have been made lately that are waiving contingencies and things like that. So kind of local updates. So Seattle region topped the nation for large tech leases for 2020. They dethroned San Francisco, and they even lead over Manhattan. Amazon announced a return back to office-centric culture for this fall, and have plans to have 25,000 employees in Bellevue by 2025. And then downtown life is finally kind of starting to come back a little bit. So with looking like companies are going to start coming back to work again. We've seen condo sales in the month of March triple over the same time last year. And we even had a listing on the market for 6 months downtown, where we just held the price steady rather than slash away because we knew the market would catch us. And after 6 months on the market, had 3 offers and got a bidding war and drove the price above the list price. So clear sign that people are coming back. So if you have any questions about what's happening with your market specifically, feel free to call, text, and visit us online at happyhometeam.com.